Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to those of you that are new, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell because I try to upload a new video every Sunday. Okay, for the first craft, you want some cardstock. This pumpkin, I am going to use this side. I am going to paint it all white. I am painting the stem black. So take this off and I am going to paint the sides and this white. Now that my white paint is dry, I am going to put sealant. Now you can use Mod Podge. Actually, it's not sealant. I keep calling it sealant. It's varnish, which acts like a sealant. Oh, and I got some glitter on there. And I am going to seal it on this side as well. I was going to use these transfer letters, and these go perfect on chalk paint, but I actually have this printed out for my Cricut, so I'm going to use that instead. So I need to seal my chalk paint, otherwise my vinyl will not stick. Then I'm just going to place my cardstock on there. And after it's dry, I will cut off those little ends. So after I trim my edges, I am just going to add my family sign right there and hot glue this on right there, and this project will be done. I really like how this came out, and putting family on there, I love that too, because that is what is most important. Family. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, you want one of these craft boxes, assortment of pumpkins, some raffia, assortment of ribbon, and some mineral paint and white paint. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this crate with my mineral. Next, I'm going to take my crate and I'm just going to light brush some white on there. I just don't want to get too much. That's too much. Yeah, I kind of ruined this one. So I'm going to take my mineral and go back over this because I got way too much white on there. So now I'm just going back over it with my mineral just to tone that white down. And then I'll let it dry, and then we'll decorate it. Now that my box is dry, it is time for me to assemble my ribbon. So I'm just going to put that there for a minute. I cut my ribbon to about this width, and I dovetailed it at both ends, and then I'm just going to start crisscrossing them. I did make me a little twine bow to put right in the middle. So I am just going to tie them together real tight. And then I'll straighten my bow out and glue it on. And fill it up with pumpkins and some berries, and that project will be done. And this is how this came out. I think this is so darn cute. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, you want this calendar and one of these signs and a piece of foam board. I am going to use this from my calendar, and I cut my foam board down to where I can fold my paper over the foam board like that. Don't forget to sand your foam board when you cut it. So I am going to apply my varnish. Whoa, that might be too much varnish. And then I'm going to apply my calendar to it. Okay, next you want to take your box and they just pop off. This pops off. So just pop it off. And then I'm going to cut it in here to separate it. And then I am going to glue these two pieces. One right there and one at the bottom. And now you can make a hanger for this and hang it up. I'm actually going to just leave mine like this and use it like a backdrop. Okay, I could have did a better job. You can actually see there's some bubbles on my sign, but I still like it. Okay, until next time, don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.